15th, and the time is 8:20 a.m. And here's what I have going on today. I was still dealing with this cold. It's not COVID, thank God, but it's just a severe cold yesterday. So I luckily missed the trade in here. I would have taken this long here for sure. But I have a friend of mine that always argues with me that this method will eventually blow my accounts out. And here's my point: is first of all, when you're trading this method, you really have to trade small when you have days like this. Assuming that I was trading yesterday and I saw this moving down, first of all, the speed and the length of those bars, the speed of this move down, which is within 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, it's just something that you should kind of be cautious of getting in front of. But you can still do it, and here's how you do it. So, assuming I ignore the fact that we have went down 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 Dow points in a matter of hours, I would gone long in here. I would take it, first of all, I would take it only one long, and it's a micro account. So yeah, there's some risk still. We've been down maybe 300-400 in here, but I've taken the second one in here, and by the time we get to this point, I'm right at break even or slightly ahead, and I'll just go ahead and bail. It's just a trending day. It's one of those 1 in 20 days that's just gonna go crazy, and you don't want to trade this method, and you walk away from it. So you still have an opportunity to take one here, and bail out, either break even or a small profit in here if you think the move is still extreme and you should stay out of it. But again, I just wasn't feeling good yesterday. I had a feeling that I'm just going to be making mistakes with this medicine that I'm taking. So I avoided it altogether. I looked a few times and I noticed that the market is really moving. But I got up this morning. I was feeling good. In here somewhere on 7, I did take a long. And I was out. I made my goal before 8:30, and I'm done. And I'll show that here in a minute. So I took a long on the MES. Also the MNQ, the same way. Yesterday, if you were trading, you're taking a long here, add it to it, and in here, I think in here somewhere, maybe in here, you are break even. So this method is not really looking for a reversal. It's not really a counter trend method per se, for two reasons. For one thing, the market pretty much always ranges 85%, 90% of the time it goes in ranges, especially when you're dealing with longer term hourly bars. Second of all, if what I'm looking here is, I'm not really looking for a reversal, I'm looking for a reversal or a retracement or move back, a pull back into here. And that's why my profit goal is important, because I'm not going to get greedy. I'm thinking we're going to go and buy it in here, and it's going to go back up to the highs again. It's going to reverse and go even higher. I'm going in, I'm thinking either it's going to reverse in here, which a lot of times it does, or it's just going to pull back, retrace. There'll be some buyers, people taking profit in here. And over here, I can still make my profit by taking one or two contracts on the micros and still making my $300 a day. Of course, yesterday it did not, but it did do it in here. So I would have been maybe long here, added to it, and I think by maybe here, we will be okay. So we most probably will get some sort of retracement in here and have a way to get you out of this trade, thinking, okay, this is going to be one of those days, get out of it, stay out of it. And again, if you want to look at it and you see a market moved down 1,200 points in a matter of hours, then just stay away. It's just not going to be one of your days. But if you do take it, you still have a way to bail out of this. So on the MNQ, I did take a long in here, and I bailed in here somewhere when I got 300. I didn't quite get 300, but the market was moving so fast that I got almost to 300. I took the M2K with it, just thinking the whole market is just moving up. Everything was moving up at that stage. So I took one as well and got out of it. MYM, and again, that's what I'm talking about, from over here to in here, that's almost 1,200 points, even more down movement. So it was quite an aggressive move, but you can still do it here. and I took it in here this morning and got out. Also, now I took some Forex trades, and the same thing with Forex trades is, I have a 5% profit for the week. So if I get that 5%, I'm done. I close everything and I'm done for the week, and I just go out and watch Netflix and do whatever I need to do, and that's that. So I'm almost there. I took a long on the AEDCHF in here, and it's moving back. Actually, let me see if I am at my target profit. So I don't want to show my account number. So yeah, I took the trades. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah. So I took the trades. And I'm looking at 27.70. I'm up 5% for the week. So as soon as I get that, I'm going to go in here and close all. I'm going to go to account, close all, and I'm out. I'm done. My week is done, and there's no reason to. I'm not trying to prove a point or to show that I'm correct about the direction of the market. I'm trying to make 5% a week, and that's that. So we're not quite there yet, but I'm holding those positions. So I took the long on the AEDCHF. I took a long on the CAD Swiss. This way passed, and this is basically when I got up. When I took it, it's in here. Let's see. Then I took a long on the pound Swiss. Took a short on the Euro USD, even though I don't like to trade in the Euro USD or the pound USD. I think this one was moving as well. I just decided to skip it. I took a long on the Euro Swiss, and I took an early New Zealand USD. I just took it early because I just want to put all my trades in, and start feeling bad again, I'll just leave and go. Took it here. Should have been in here somewhere, but we'll see what happens. So those are the trades I have, and I will update once I close everything out. I'll just post a picture on YouTube later on with this. So that's what I have. Nothing else setting up, and we'll go from there.